First of all, thank you so much, Dr. Tigran. It's a pleasure to have you here at Retina Medical Center. So, actually, we would like you to bestow some knowledge upon us, and to make the process easier and swift, we have a couple of questions that we would like to ask you with your due permission, of course. So, shall we?
Okay, thank you so much for meeting. After all, I was thankful to Dr. Supipong for this opportunity. I think it's a big opportunity to learn something new and to exchanging some ideas.
Yes. So, the thing is, sir, genuinely very curious about your overall travel experience, like how you came from your place, like Armenia, to Bangkok, Thailand, and then eventually to Retina Medical Center. Was it convenient, or how was your experience?
I was in many countries and many medical centers in the world. I know the Thailand, famous such as most popular center of medical tourism in the world, and I was very interested to be here. And Dr. Sutipong invite me in this clinic, and it's very happy for me.
It's our pleasure to have you here, sir.
Yes.
And how you feel here at Retina? And actually, what I mean is, like, as a doctor, what you observed that impresses you the most?
Here I'm really impressed to how much careful and how much careful prepare your patients. And each patient you have a unique approach to prepare and prepare each patients, and the staff and doctors and staff.
So you have visited our operating room setup, right? So how you find it interesting? Would you like to change something to make it better?
Okay, I saw very well organized operating room
Yes, yes.
with innovative equipments and very careful organized instruments layout.
Yeah.
And I really liked how much communication between surgeons and other members of surgical team.
Yes.
It helps to minimize operation time, and I sure the short operation time is very important for patient safety.
Yeah,
It's shortness the recovery period, and it's minimize the many possible complications.
Yeah. So actually,
it's very, very important to have a good communication with medical team and doctors and other members of operation team. It's very nice.
Yeah. So actually, since you have a lot of experience, so I was wondering, like, if there is any significant difference between patient expectation in Armenia and in Thailand. What's your observation like?
I think in Armenia, in Thailand, in over the world, girls, women want to be beauty, and says guys, beauty has 1,000 faces, but each one is unique.
Yes.
And culture plays huge role to understanding what is the beauty, what is the not beauty in ours. In Armenia, from beauty ideals, huge role have antique Romano, Greco-Roman culture and the Renaissance aesthetic. In Thailand, I see a big focus in harmony between inner beauty and outer beauty. Yes. And it's very important because I believe the beautiful body lives beautiful soul. And the huge part of our work, such as plastic surgeons, helps the patient find this balance.
Yeah, to make them like
inner beauty and
psychologically happy as well.
Yes.
Yeah, understandable. So since we are talking about the Thailand patients as well, so I was wondering, like, is there any process or technique that we can adopt here in Thailand to serve better to our patients, like what we do in Armenia?
We can.
Yeah. So my question was, like, is there any process or technique that we can adopt in Thailand to make the service better for patients?
Yes, we were interested the new non-invasive or minimal invasive technologies.
Yes.
These technologies, I saw these technologies widely used in Retina Medical Center, and I know the Dr. Sutipong is famous master of body type technologies, and we're very happy to use these knowledges and use our own practice.
Yeah, thank you. And so we're gonna sum this interview up with the final question. The thing is, like, what do you think about this tremendous and incredible collaboration between Dr. and Retinal Medical Center? Do you think is it possible, Doctor?
You know, I think it's possible. Of course, it's very important because this collaboration good for exchange some mind,
Yes.
learning something, and we could do some video conferences, and maybe we can invite them our doctors from
Yeah.
Retinal Medical Center to show us some new techniques.
Yeah, that would be great.
And in our side, our clinic has a big experience about patient with Caucasian body shape and Caucasian face shape, and we likely to share this experience with our colleagues in Thailand.
Yeah, it'll be our pleasure to collaborate with you, sir. So
Yes.
So I would say like that's the end. And thank you, doctor. Thank you for your time. It's our pleasure, and it's truly an honor to have you here. And looking forward to collaborate with you to make the world more beautiful. And
Thank you
is there
so
anything
much.
you would like to say?
No, thank you so much. Best wishes in your team. Best wishes.
Thank you so much.
And
So
I want to say I have a great New Year holidays here in Thailand.
Oh.
It's very.
It's all our
very good for
pleasure,
me.
sir. It's
Yes.
honor to have you here. So that's all our lovely people, doctor with us from Armenia. And thank you. Sawadee ka.
Thank you so much.